All right. For this question, it's not listed. The question isn't listed here, but the question states a baseball is pitched at 40 meters per second or 90 miles per hour in a Major League Baseball game. The batter hits the ball on a line drive straight toward the pitcher at 50 meters per second or 112 miles per hour. Determine the acceleration of the ball feels in contact with the bat for 1/30th of a second. Well, this is everything that is given to me in the problem, and this is what I need to find, which is acceleration. And acceleration is pretty much the change of velocity with time. But velocity is described as a vector quantity, which also means that acceleration can be listed as a vector quantity. And with vector quantities, direction matters just as much as the magnitude or the size of what your of the given number or equation or problem. So when the ball is going towards the batter, it will at 40 miles for 40 meters per second, it would be going in a negative direction or to the left. And when the batter hits the line drive, it's going towards the pitcher or in a positive 50 meters per with positive 50 meters per second. Yeah, the algebraic signs are important because this is a vector quantity and not a scalar quantity. So I simply just plug my initial and final velocities into the acceleration equation. So that'd be plus 50 meters per second. That's subtraction sign, I squeeze right there. Minus negative 40 meters per second over 1/30th of a second, which gives me positive positive 90 meters per second times 30 seconds inverse 1 or to the power 1, which equals 27,000 meters per second. But since this is a vector quantity, you have this direction is just as important. So you have to say that the acceleration was 2,700 meters per second squared away from the batter.